Hello everyone, welcome to Doc Talks. These are the headlines for today. Tetso College is all set to organizing Salvate Freshers Day 2026, taking place on 15th July. The event will feature Shrimati Adilamoa, Director of Art and Culture, Government of Nagaland, as the special guest. The Department of Psychology is conducting a one-day workshop on psychological first aid today, 13 July, from 9 a.m. to 2:15 p.m. The workshop is led by resource person T. Lydia Awomi, Menevino Hozoye, and Vinicale Awomi, counselor from the Telemanasel State Mental Health Institute, Kohima, Nagaland, equipping participants with practical skills to provide immediate psychological support during times of distress. The Evangelical Union of Tetso College concluded its final fellowship on 12th July, marking the close of its fellowship before students depart for the summer break beginning 16th July. Members gathered for a meaningful time of worship, reflection, and fellowship, bringing the semester to a heartfelt close before heading into the vacation. The FIFA World Cup 2026 has entered its final stretch, with Argentina, England, France, and Spain securing their final places in the semi-finals. Football fans around the world are eagerly awaiting the high-strike clashes as the race for the World Cup title reaches its climax. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more updates.